Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and author of this best-selling Amazon book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. Dowsing will get right to what you need to know. Now you're probably thinking, but Colleen, I tried muscle testing or dowsing or the pendulum or the divining rods or whatever before. It takes so long to learn them and I don't trust my answers and all this. There's one way that I know of that you can instantly connect into your intuition and get the answers you need right away. Even though maybe you still want to learn all that other stuff, that's great. The first form of dowsing I ever learned was two-person muscle testing with my dear friend Jeannie. And all you have to do is get a person who you know, who you can trust, who's open-minded, to help you learn this technique and to be the tester, and you'll be the subject. So you pretend this is your arm, okay? And this is your friend or your family member's hand. And all you do is you ask very specific questions and then you gently press down. I was born in California. No, that's a no answer. I was born in Ohio. Yes, the strong answer is the positive or yes answer, and then the weak. And you don't need to use a lot of pressure to do this. You just gently push. And sometimes it's just a wavering you feel, or super strong. And you'll be able to tell the more you use this technique, the subtle differences between a yes and a no. But you could start right away if you have someone who's happy enough to work with you. And then you can be the tester and they can be the subject, and you can ask questions. I like to ask questions like, are there one or more fears that are causing, we'll just say, this lumpiness on my skin right now? I got a strong yes. Are these fears from 2024? No. Are these fears from 2023? Yes. 2022? 2021? So I got a couple years of fears to go investigate and then remove so my skin heals. I really healed a whole lot of skin issues by looking for the fears that are underlying. Anyway, it's all explained in my book. I'm sure there's information online and such, but for those of you who are like me, totally impatient, the two-person muscle testing is the best way to go. And you might even be able to start this on yourself. I don't know. It's quite possible. But again, the pendulum, the dowsing rods, even some of my muscle testing like this one or this, or you can do the one-person muscle testing, which is similar to the two-person one. Let's see. My name is Colleen. Yes. I live in Ohio. I live in Oregon. I live in the southwestern United States. Yes, strong. Anyway, I know you're eager to get started, so I'll end this now and say thank you so much for watching. Again, my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, is on Amazon. It's got a lot of information to help you and to guide you, because I believe that everything comes out of love or fear. So when things aren't working in our lives, including ailments or anxiety, emotional things, income, relationships, it's all energy. And it just needs to be cleared out. And I've got over 300 videos to help you with that as well. So take care of your sweet self. You're a treasure. And you deserve to know the future. And do your own psychic readings if that's what you want to do. You have that power, okay? Everyone's intuitive. And muscle testing will take you right to the answers you need, as long as you ask clear questions and you're in a calm state of mind. You should get all the information you need. So take care. Peace out.